Watch how I turn this girly dollhouse into a superhero castle for my son. As you can see, this is a girly dollhouse that I purchased off Facebook Marketplace for $50. Last I checked, this was selling for $175 online. That's fine and all, but I have a boy, so let's turn it into something he can use. Here are the items you will need while creating this. Painter's tape so you can mark what you don't want to get paint on. Spray paint that will hold up outside or inside for your art. Paint that will allow you to paint whatever you need onto the house, small details. This is the glue that I used that worked best for putting down the cutouts. Sharpies for any fine details like the Spider-Man lines I drew on the bottom of the house. Please note you can use any cutouts of your choice. I just found mine I like best from Amazon. Alright, the first step is to use your blue painter's tape to put tape on everything you do not want to be painted when you do the spray paint. I did the doors. It's fine if you get paint on the blue tape as you will remove that anyways. You will also probably need a few coats. I went over mine 3 times. Here are my results after 3 coats of spray paint. As you can see, I still have the blue tape on everything because I might want to go back over it. Okay, the next step is to pick out your scrapbook paper of choice. I used the wood because it looked most realistic for my floor. This is where you'll use that glue and make sure you have a good coating so that you can make the glue stick to the floor of the dollhouse. I only needed 1 coat and it stuck pretty good, and it's still sticking a year later. Your next step will be picking out your cutouts, putting glue on them, and layering them on the house how you would like them layered. I did some on the top for the Batman, the middle with the superheroes, and the bottom I made into a Spider-Man type of layer. I definitely recommend the glue I posted because all of this is still sticking onto the house a year later. Next up is your paint for the small details you'd like to paint on. I purchased these exact ones from Walmart and they turned out pretty good for what I needed them for. Cheap, I think they were 97 cents each. Lastly, I did my finishing touches. I added in the furniture that I wanted to add in. This is the same furniture that came with the original dollhouse. I just used the acrylic paint and painted it to more boyish colors that match the superheroes. Added the bathtub, the bed, lamp, table, piano, and the elevator to the left works also. This was my son's Christmas present in 2021, and he's still playing with it a year later. Here's the before and after. Good luck!